PDF format में है. We can't actually yell at customers.
हाँ जी. देखिए. अच्छा OTP आएगा ना आपके पास.
Or she's here. Yeah.
Hello. Say hi. Lean towards her. Say hi. Yes. Where?
You were gonna ask me a question. You made me come all the way and sit here.
I was quite nervous on my first day.
Yeah, that's natural. I think I am also nervous only on every intern's first day.
Who are you?
I'm Devastiti.
Krishav Juneja.
She joined us in February second week.
I'm currently working as an operations assistant with Poles of Art. I joined last year as an intern and I've been with Poles of Art for almost a year now.
And it was a whole thing because it was like a to and fro for a week. First we took her interview and then we were all so my team, not me, was very apprehensive about adding new people to the team.
It was the first time I was meeting ma'am as properly, and I remember the first few hours, I think you were sending me to make the, not email copies, but like design the email वगैरह वाला. So I remember I felt कि इतनी जल्दी time went, like I think 3-4 hours it had
Yeah,
passed.
it was longer. Yeah.
It was longer, yeah, and I didn't realize कि 3-4 घंटे चले गए. So I realized कि yeah, this is थोड़ा सा like a space where I would like to work and not be so frustrated कि काम पे जाना है, but इसलिए काम पे जा रही है. तो yeah, that's थोड़ा सा.
I'm sure the pizzas have helped all of
Oh yeah,
us.
pizza.
Yes,
Definitely.
Pizza.
Yeah, but if y'all were like too weird, then I would have remembered that. So you guys were the correct amount of okay.
Okay.
Mad क्या कहते हैं hierarchy climb Devastuti has done in a year.
Just a year, less than a
In
year.
just less than a year.
I had come dressed all properly.
Yeah, she came dressed in
Yeah.
business formals while Shreya and I
Business casuals.
business casuals.
Yeah.
But like a proper skirt and like stockings and everything. And while Shreya and I sat just like how I am today also, like doing this. And this very nicely dressed intern comes, walks in, sits down, like proper, like fully nicely made face and like very nicely dressed. And we're just looking at each other. Are we giving the right impression here?
What is interesting is that while there are some things which are constant and which, you know, repeatedly one does, there are also a lot of new things. Like today I'm trying to source a 6-foot artificial tree. So a lot of things like this, you know, which are just a surprise. Every day I wake up wondering, what will I do today? And that's a very rewarding thing in a job because
What-
you don't get bored.
What's the weirdest thing that you've sourced for us?
Oh god, I can't remember right like this, but erotic cake for
Oh, yeah.
All the Christmas events were very fun. It was quite stressful, obviously.
Yeah.
But it was
Yeah.
fun. Yeah.
Yeah, now that they are done, we can call them fun.
Now we can call it fun. Us time pe it was very stressful. I'm very calm. I think I'm way too calm. So people think I'm not doing anything.
Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm.
She also did that event
Yeah, we had-
जिसमें कि लोग just आते ही चले गए. We went expecting like 30 people and there were 300 odd
300
people.
plus.
कौन है ये लोग?
But like
Just
Priya
one
told
day.
me later on that Devastuti was very, very calm and very like on point in the entire situation. People kept coming, she kept dealing with them. She was very focused on what needs to be done.
I just cannot complain at times. Like
When I joined Poles of Art, I was very unemployed. Like I just finished bachelor's degree, so I had like nothing to do for like 2-3 months. Where college started to have to figure out how to manage पूरा system with college. It's really fast, have to travel बहुत ज़्यादा. So yeah, it's been fun. The events have been really fun. I have learned how to do stuff on my own as well. अब साथ मैम के. My friends complain about how they are bored doing nothing at weekends. कि यार कहाँ जाए, कोई है नहीं कुछ करने के लिए. I'm like okay, can't relate. Monday मिलो तुम लोग मुझे. Yeah, so it's fun. Yeah.
I get you. I get you.
Oh yeah, that's. I hope the viewers have watched Spider-Man first, wala. So in that the movie, what like the way I watched it was in breaks. So to me, as a 5-year-old, it was कि Tobey Maguire wears the suit, then he becomes Spider-Man. Spider नहीं काटा था उसको. So I asked my पापा कि ना ले आना मेरे लिए सूट. इसलिए okay, वो same शाम को ले आए. तो I wore the suit with the mask on, because mask पहनता वो, ठीक है. So I tried to पहले तो climb the wall, but then I thought कि it's like just like beginning I should like start with the floor and baby steps. I like can't just start swinging at the walls. I was here, फटा पूरा ऐसे. I climbed it, not from ऐसे grabbing ऐसे हाथ से. because like powers आ रही धीरे धीरे. I reached till here. I don't remember अच्छे से. I just woke up with like people थोड़ा surrounded कि क्या हुआ ठीक तो है ये क्या हो गया and like ऐसे ऊपर गीला पट्टा हो गया something. I just remember yeah.